Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix pending money on PayPal. First, let's understand why payments might be pending. Always start by verifying your PayPal account and confirming your email address. Next, check your PayPal Resolution Center for any open cases or required actions. These initial steps are crucial for quickly identifying and resolving common payment hold issues, ensuring your funds become available sooner rather than later. Often, funds are held for up to 21 days, especially for new sellers or high-value transactions. To speed things up, add tracking information to eligible transactions as soon as possible. Once the tracking shows delivery or the buyer confirms receipt, PayPal can often release your funds much faster. This proactive approach significantly reduces the waiting period for your money. Sometimes, the pending status is due to the buyer's actions. Ensure they've completed their payment process. If they used an e-check, funds will be pending until it clears, which typically takes 3 to 5 business days. If there's a dispute, address it promptly through the Resolution Center. Clear communication and quick action here are key to resolving these types of holds efficiently. If your funds are still pending after 21 days, or if you're unsure why, it's time to contact PayPal customer support directly. To prevent future holds, link and confirm a bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. Maintaining good seller ratings and avoiding frequent disputes also helps. These steps ensure smoother transactions and quicker access to your funds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.